recite the poem or what was going to happen. So we had recorded it and we left this space for this piece in the middle. And the producer, Tyler Duncan, he said, have you got a placeholder we can just use there? And I said, yeah, I have this WhatsApp voice note that Síomha sent. And he said, cool, we'll just put it in as a placeholder, check the timing, all that. So I downloaded the WhatsApp voice note, sent it to the producer, and he came back and he was like, it's perfect. He said, the audio, he was like, I would have spent 3 days trying to get that lo-fi audio quality. So he said, so what actually made it onto the record is the WhatsApp voice note that Síomha sent me. He never, the first time he did it, we never had to get him into a studio to do it. His delivery was so brilliant as well. And so I'm going to pretend to be Seamus. Shall we give scéal agus for me to love her?
Yeah.
Take my body, put me in the dirt. I'll become one with all life that's on the earth. And the trees, they are my mother. They will care for me. Take my voice, give it to the birds, hear them rejoice. Sung across the world, and their song came from my Father. They will sing for me. Take my soul, wash it in the seas, through the oceans. I will be at peace. Let the waves become my sister. She will care. She will carry me. Woman Collinshaw, currently she is an oord. Molly is my feel of weepers glak, but a glak on ahad of girka. Glak fast on a vishnak is my man, gan the yin ach more in the grave. Black man and love is nix at all ya. Hard gach till a fair is not all. Of his brun a neen a will a rusk right day. Ordig living Collinshaw, a howling, a gwee, a realty spader, of his tutor only, lish of his low, live on creep. Take my spirit, let her dance across the sky, for men and women, the ones I left behind. Let my lovers lost become stars, they will burn. Give it to the child, a child of God, with heaven in his eyes. He was born to be the last rhythm. He will be for me. They will burn in me. For me, for me.
Wow.